Smash that like button.
Hello everyone, follow me and make a friend who understands English. Let's start. Backyard. An area behind a house, often used for summer fun. We had a barbecue in the backyard. Thunderstorm. Rain with thunder and lightning. The afternoon heat turned into a wild thunderstorm. Coconut water. A natural hydrating drink from green coconuts. Coconut water is a must in South Indian summers. Sticky. Feeling hot and sweaty, uncomfortable. It's so sticky today, I need another shower. Pool float. Inflatable toy or seat for swimming pools. I lounged on a flamingo pool float all day. Campfire. Outdoor fire for cooking or stories. We roasted marshmallows over the campfire. Vacation mode. The relaxed mood when you're off work or school. I'm in full vacation mode. Don't email me. Lounge. To sit or lie around in a relaxed way. We lounged in hammocks all afternoon. Picnic. Eating outside for fun. We packed sandwiches and went for a picnic. Sunset. The time when the sun goes down. The beach sunset was absolutely stunning. Sultry. Hot and humid in a way that feels heavy or intense. The sultry evening air clung to our skin like a blanket. Radiant. Glowing brightly, often from the sun or happiness. She looked radiant in the soft summer light.
Don't forget to subscribe.